Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. So today upon completing the Hacktoberfest annual challenge 2020 back in October 2020, I just received the swag for that on completing that challenge. So here it is, just received this in the mail. Let me have, yeah, so this is the new packaging. Well, this is my second consecutive year since I've been winning this challenge. You can participate in this too. It is nothing so big. Let me just unbox it for you. So it took around it's been around 3 months since completing the challenge, and I've received that. It was delivered through DHL and by our local postal service. So let's get into the package. What do we have here? So this is the package, this is the shirt. Let me just put it aside. Okay, so we have a bunch of stickers here. This is, no, let me hide the code. Well, this is the Hacktoberfest logo for 2020, and this contains $100 worth of credit for DigitalOcean. Props to that. This is just an acknowledgement letter. Oh, Intel's sponsoring this ones. We didn't receive that one last time. And Mattermost, well, that's a new one. And this is from MLH, I remember clearly. No, it's not MLH, it's Raise.dev. Sorry, my bad. Oh, let me just focus this. Yeah, it's clear now. As said earlier, this is the logo. What is this? Open source indie.com. Circle.ai. CockroachDB, wow. And JetBrains, those guys are amazing. And as expected, dev, I've already got that one on my laptop from last year. This is they are a constant supporter of that. Okay, so this is a letter from Intel. I hope you guys can read it. Yeah, so this is it. These are the stickers. Let me see if there is anything else in the pack. Oh, there is. And what could this be? Well, this is a DigitalOcean logo. No, that's it. Let's just pack it back up. Okay, now let's look at the shirt. What shirt do we have here? Well, this time there were a lot of sizes there, and I chose the men's size for me, and this is how it looks. The quality is great, and this is a new logo, and I'm loving it. Hacktoberfest 2020. So guys, that was the unboxing. Oh, just let me, I love this logo on the shoulder, presented by DigitalOcean. So guys, that was it, and hope you guys like it, and see you around. Bye.